Hello, myself Sunil R Nair. Here, basically, we are discussing about the problem. The thing basically is currencies. Basically, in currencies, basically currencies dependency. In currencies dependency, we are talking about ideas. In ideas, basically, we are talking about one solution. Basically, that is one solution is this, second solution is this, third solution is this, fourth solution is this, fifth solution is this, sixth solution is this, seventh solution is this, and this is doing this is ongoing mostly from missiles and from other data. This is basically ongoing. Then basically one of the person told that basically the world is already created, right? Now basically it's very difficult to handle this all this basically. So can we create planet which have solution of this all? This planet must be from earth planet land only, no other materials are to be used. No other material means building, energies, etc. Then one of the person told that basically world is already created. That we agree basically. So can we have something basically that will solve the problem basically? Like, can we create some set of human clones from existing bodies? Means people who died, that bodies can be done as human clones equal to solutions data, and this can be in some percentage format as per the 20 percentage error R. So this is basically also mostly this is also ongoing. So one of the person told that lots of human clone are also basically created to cover up this all things. That means one of the person basically who created this whole thing basically, he knows basically that the 20 percentage problem is there basically. So in 20 percentage problem is there basically. So he is basically trying to solve the problem basically, and he basically knows this. And few people says that basically we have finished the 40 percentage education industry only from the particular area, where that basically 40 percentage which basically that basically we have already discussed. Few people says that if we create the rules basically, rules means basically the things basically which is must basically to supposed to do. If we do that basically, then for that basically lots of people say that in India basically God people people basically believe in God basically. So can we create one God gas basically, and then basically we'll convert into some God basically, and then basically that type of thing basically can be done. Then he told that basically that is also basically possible basically. That is also basically the possible. Then basically one of the person given the solution that sun solar system basically. If we use this system and from this if we try to solve this 20 percentage error, then how would be that? Then also the 20 percentage is there. So like this basically people basically given the this whole solution basically on the base of education error basically. That means somebody basically know that basically the error is there basically in the few people says that basically cities can be create instead of planets creation. So for that lots of cities are also created. For that basically these all are the solution basically which has basically used and which has basically created basically which has actually created basically. Lots of people says that basically can we create some chemical basically which basically we can give the name as a glacier basically, and glacier are basically is going to look like same as ice basically. So whenever basically it's going to dump into the whenever basically as a periodically basically whenever it's going to dump into the sea water basically, then it will convert into the solution basically, and this can be in the format of 20 percentage error data. Can be in the format of error data. Can be in the format of error data basically. Error data means solution data basically. Solution of errors data, and this is very dangerous basically. This is actually created. Lots of people say that glacier basically is a natural thing, na, basically, but this is also created by set of groups basically. So which is group that basically that need to check basically. Which energy, nuclear energy, power, or basically energies groups, which groups basically has done this basically. So mostly it might possible that this basically might be creating, this is also basically used as a solution basically. So in finding the solution lots of basically error also basically came into the picture. To solving that error basically, then again basically solution, then again basically like this basically the things are basically ongoing basically. Then one of the person told that basically movies creation, human souls in the form of human souls basically. In the form of human souls basically. Then basically it's software creation human souls and human needs creations. So this is also basically one of the solution basically somebody told. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about the solution of the error.